we're going to see the power of our platform with data, AI, and CRM. As you can see here, I see Jonna Adams in my Sales Cloud. I see the same Jonna Adams also if I go into my Service Console. The magic is our metadata and our data. But data can be stored all over the enterprise. It could be in your websites, it could be sitting in warehouses. And with the power of Data Cloud, you can easily bring all the data into Salesforce. What we allow you to do is to either ingest data from all of these sources, such as marketing, multiple CRM instances, web, mobile, and also in the case of Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, and others, you literally can zero copy your way and make them all Salesforce objects. Now, once you've done Salesforce object, then we let you harmonize this. So you can create an enterprise-wide harmonized map. Just this individual alone represents 37 different sources of customer profile coming in from 37 different sources. Yes. We can also unify this information, and then you can easily create BI or AI insights. You don't have to be an Einstein to create a simple model from scratch automatically, which can tell you all of the predictions, or you can also use SageMaker, Vertex, or Databricks. With all the insights available, now we can flip our hat and become a marketeer. That's what all businesses do. And as a marketeer, I can look for simple generative segments that will automatically create the generative segment for me in marketing and then go from there. As an example, I'm able to quickly create this segment here with Einstein, and then I can activate to all my ad tech partners. And more interestingly, we can also get insights from these ad tech partners to tell us exactly what the demographic and other information that Google knows about them. Now, that's not all. You can also look at the intelligence of all of these segments. Now, once you have done the ad tech, martech, what do people do? Well, they come and click on your website. And you really want your sales agent to be able to quickly see what people have done and get a 360 view of everything they have done, their shipment information, their real-time engagement. This is coming from Snowflake, this is coming from the web, and this is coming from all of the other characteristics created in Data Cloud. But no sales agent is going to be waiting at a website to see what they are doing, which is why we built Flow. Flow can now be triggered by any of these changes, including if somebody's clicking on this product browse on the website. If it's a thing, you can then maybe call Mule. Mule can call into any of your backend systems. And of course, it can also alert on Slack. Now, once it's alerted on Slack, the salesperson can come and look at this person and say, that is interesting. Maybe I should send them an email. Okay, now they want to send them an email. All they have to do is click on Draft with Einstein to be able to create an email based on all the latest clicks and shipping updates that's coming from Snowflake. Now, just to prove how real it is, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to go back here, click a lot on electronics, and come back and regenerate this Einstein thing again. As you can see, now it became electronics with a special electronics discount. How did this magic happen? Well, through the power of grounding. We have this thing called prompt template, which lets you personalize this information. And I have actually able to ground this with all the latest real-time engagement, the shipping update that's coming from Snowflake, and you get this personalized email. Once I get this email, I'm happy. I buy their products. But I have some issues with the thing, and that's when I turn over to service. Now, maybe my gift card's not working. With our power of our knowledge articles, we can quickly then show you the relevant knowledge article to that to that service person, so they can actually quickly figure out how to solve the issue without leaving their console. But that's not all, because most knowledge articles don't just live with us. It lives in various things like SharePoint. And so again, with this new search index that is in Data Cloud, we let you bring all of the data, create quick indexes. So now you can not only show those in the service console, you can even automate them, create triggers and flow. So if a similar case gets created, you can trigger an action right away, or somebody writes a bad review, you can trigger an action right away. But that's not all of this is now available in Tableau too. For the first time, unstructured data can now be used in Tableau beautifully because we allow you to match it with your structured data and start seeing who's complaining where across the world. And finally, every single thing is also usable in your co-pilots. I can ask all the questions. What is the latest shipping update for Jonah Adams? And just a simple question, I can now get you all the knowledge articles relevant for fees. As you can see, we saw all the knowledge articles, and this is the power of our platform. Every single data is usable in your AI that can power all your CRM, integrate with Mule, Tableau, Slack, and everything else. Thank you.